Welcome back, everybody. My name is Al. We're in Newtown, Pennsylvania, working on half round gutters. They're copper. This so happens to be a 32-foot gutter. It's not pitched properly to run the water to the outlet. What I did was I removed all the spring clips, which are those wires that attach to the front. I dropped the furthest circle or bracket near the drain down to where I want to set it. Then I remove all the screws from the rest of the circles, attach them to the back of the gutter, put my spring clip in, and that holds it in place. And then from there, I go along, pop my nuts and bolts in. The gutter still remains and holds a good pitch. And that's pretty much that. I do run a impact drill. I don't even have a very long bit. I have about a 3-inch bit, and I can still get behind most of these gutters to remove the flathead screw.